In this video, I will show you how to play Idle Heroes on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So Idle Heroes is a role-playing game which has been developed by DH Games, and you can actually play this on PC by using something called the BlueStacks app player. Now BlueStacks is a Android emulator, so what this enables you to do is play Android games on your PC or Mac, which is going to lead to a more immersive gaming experience, of course playing on a bigger screen and having the benefit of using your keyboard or mouse or even a gamepad to play the game. Now to get started with this, there is going to be a link in the video description down below, so if you click onto that link in the video description below this video, that's going to take you across to the official website, which is going to look like this. On this website you're going to see an option here which says play Idle Heroes on PC. Give that a click and that's going to start downloading the BlueStacks installer onto your PC. Once that's installed, what you can do is give it a click to run the installer to install BlueStacks on your PC, and all you need to do is follow the steps to set up and install BlueStacks. Now, once BlueStacks has finished installing, you're going to see a window like this with a blue launch button, so go ahead, give that a click, and what that's going to do is start loading up BlueStacks on your PC. Here we are back on my desktop. As you can see, BlueStacks is now loaded through and it's taken us directly to the installation page for Idle Heroes. So at this point, all you need to do is click onto install from Google Play. And once you've done that, it's going to take you across to the installation page. Now, at this point, it might ask you to log in with your Google account, which is really great because if you play on BlueStacks and play on your mobile device, of course, you can resume from where you saved your progress on BlueStacks. So at this point, all you need to do is go ahead and click the blue install button, and as you can see, that's going to start downloading and installing Idle Heroes onto BlueStacks, so you'll be able to play this on your PC. Just while that's installing, I just want to run through a quick couple of benefits and features of why you should consider using BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the first thing I want to mention about is game controls. If, like myself, you don't get on with touchscreens, then playing on BlueStacks is going to enable you to use your mouse and keyboard, and there's even gamepad support for some games, which combined with playing on a bigger screen is going to give you a more immersive and better gaming experience. One thing that's really cool about BlueStacks is the built-in macros feature, which allows you to record and replay actions with just a single key press. And one thing that I personally love about BlueStacks is the built-in real-time translation feature. So if there's games that have been released in different countries, but you're not able to play them due to language barrier reasons, well, with BlueStacks, you can now do this because if you actually download the game onto BlueStacks, what it's going to do is actually use a real-time translation to translate the language into your local language, which is absolutely amazing. And it does enable you to play games exclusive to other countries without any language barrier problems. Now, of course, naturally playing on a PC is going to give you a better frame rate. So a higher frame rate is going to give you a much better, smoother gameplay experience and just make for a much better gameplay experience. And of course, you'll be playing all your favorite Android games in full HD. So that's a couple of reasons why I personally love BlueStacks, but as you can see, there's a number of really cool reasons of why you should consider using BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC. Coming back to BlueStacks, as you can see, Idle Heroes has now finished installing, and all you need to do at this point is go ahead and click the blue play button, and that's going to go ahead and launch this using BlueStacks. So what I'm going to do is just sign in with my Google account, so of course I can save my progress on BlueStacks, and if I wanted to play this on mobile later on, then of course I can do that and resume where I left off. Here we are. As you can see, what I'm going to do is just tick the box and agree to the terms of service. I'm just going to click off this notice, and it's just going to take a minute or two to get everything ready, download the resources, and then we will be good to go. And here we are, as you can see in game. So as mentioned, you can use your keyboard and mouse. As you can see, I'm using my mouse to click around, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my keyboard to type my name first of all. What we're going to do is click OK and then jump into the game. So of course, this is just the tutorial bit, which shows you what to do. So we're going to click here, but you can see the animations, everything is really smooth. It's a really crystal clear screen, and the gameplay is actually really, really good. So if you actually want to know what the controls are for certain certain games, if you actually come to the menu on the right hand side and click onto this keyboard where it says game controls, you're going to see an option for on-screen control. So if you go ahead and turn this on, as you can see, we can move around with WASD and we can use the space button as well. But as you can see, it does play really smooth. BlueStacks is absolutely fantastic for playing Android games. So what I'm going to do is just jump into the game so you can actually see the gameplay itself and how this runs on BlueStacks. So let's go ahead and select our heroes and jump into a battle. So here we are in the actual gameplay experience. And again, as you can see, everything's running really smooth. All the animations, everything is just running absolutely smooth. It's a really, really nice experience. And it's just so much better playing on a bigger screen and having the ability to use your keyboard, mouse, or even gamepad. So that is how to play Idle Heroes on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.